In this question, two concentric circles are given where the length of the outer chord is 20 centimeter and radius are not given. So how to find out the area of shaded region?
This smaller radius is perpendicular bisector of the chord. So we can write here area of shaded region is equal to pi r square minus pi r square, that is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Pi is common, so it is pi into r square minus r square.
This inner radius is perpendicular bisector of the chord. So the base will be 10 and we can write that according to Pythagoras theorem, r square minus r square is equal to 10. Now substitute the value. So we have the area is equal to pi into 10. That will be 10 pi centimeter square. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and write your comment in the comment box. Thank you.